Hi. Welcome to Feel Your Mind. Thank you for allowing me to share a meditation lesson with you today. I present to you some great quotes from great people. Yesterday is gone, and tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today, let us begin. Mother Teresa. This word encourages us to live in the present moment and act toward our goals and aspirations. For example, imagine you have been putting off starting a healthy lifestyle because you are waiting for the perfect time or waiting until you feel more motivated. However, Mother Teresa's quote reminds us that the perfect time may never come, and we only have today to act. So, you decide to make small changes, such as deciding to meditate or choosing a healthier diet. Similarly, in our personal and professional lives, it can be easy to get caught up in regretting the past or worrying about the future. However, by focusing on the present moment and acting, we can create a better future for ourselves. For instance, let's say you're a student who procrastinates and is worried about falling behind in class. Instead of dwelling on past mistakes, you decide to focus on the present moment and act by setting a schedule and committing to studying for a specific amount of time each day. By doing so, you are taking control of your future and making positive changes in your life. Mother Teresa's quote reminds us that we cannot change the past, and the future is uncertain, but we have the power to act in the present moment. Doing so can create a better future for ourselves and live a more fulfilling life. May this meditation lesson make your life enrich and be more fulfilling. Meditation is a tool that allows us to release the thoughts and emotions that arise in our minds and bring awareness to ourselves and the world around us. Through meditation, we gain a deeper understanding of who we are and become aware of the rushing thoughts and daily stressors in our lives. By mastering the techniques to become aware of the current state of your mind and calm yourself, you will be able to sleep soundly and lead a happier life. You can easily get rid of the anxiety you've been carrying. You will be better able to accept and control negative emotions, dissatisfaction with yourself, and comparison with others. At first, you may find it difficult to practice meditation every day. However, as you continue for a few days or a week, you should gradually feel the effects and start to enjoy the daily practice. So, let's start today's practice. Please sit comfortably on a sofa, chair, or mat, preferably in a quiet place. Dimming the lights in the room, lighting candles, and burning aroma essential oils or incense are also effective for relaxation. Using headphones to block out outside sound is also a good idea. Let go of what you are doing and thinking, and take a break by releasing any emotions you have. Slowly focus on your physical and emotional state in the present moment. Relax and sit comfortably. You can either close your eyes or softly gaze at a single point. Maintain your posture and gently release any tension in your back, legs, and waist. As you surrender to gravity, you gradually feel your body sinking and sinking into the ground. Inhale deeply through the nose. Inhale deeply and comfortably, then exhale slowly. One more time. Inhale deeply, then exhale. Your arms, legs, and waist start to release tension and feel increasingly heavy, as if your body is rooting into the ground like a big tree. Take another deep breath and exhale comfortably. Repeat breathing at a pace that feels good to you. Let's focus on breathing slowly. Pay attention to your breathing without trying to control it. Just let it be natural. Observe where in your body you feel most comfortable breathing. Can you feel the flow of your breath? Inhale through your nose, down your throat, into your chest, and your belly. Your breath moves like waves, pushing and pulling within your body. You will notice the sensation of air passing through your nose and the fullness and indentation of your belly. Continue to feel and observe your breathing in the present moment. Gradually become aware of the rhythm and flow of each breath. Without trying to change anything, simply observe the way your breath flows through your body. Notice the refreshing sensation when you inhale and the comfortable feeling when you exhale. Recognize the good feelings and simply accept them. For those with closed eyes, gently open them. For those with open eyes, slowly move your gaze around and take in your surroundings. May peace and happiness come to you. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you again.